Hello everybody, Gbenga Olatunji here, welcoming you to business operations section of business planning. Here is another major core in business planning, looking at the operational side of things. And so far, every investor that has been or that has picked up our business plan and has been looking at it gets to this point and they want to know how we want to go about things, our rollout strategy, and it's an opportunity for us to easily their buy-in, have their buy-in if we are able to marshal our points and leave no stone unturned on the operational side of things. We call it operational or operations section of business plan. So what are the things that we need to talk about in this section? Let us take for example, we intend and propose a manufacturing business or outfit, and our business plan is about a manufacturing organization. We need to let them know what equipment we will need for the manufacturing of that product. Where are we going to buy it from? Who? The vendor. Do we have existing relationship with the vendor or not? Or we intend to build the relationship? These are some of the questions that we must be able to answer in operations section of business plan. So let us take them one after the other. We must discuss our manufacturing and things that we need, our research work. We must discuss, we must let them know about our purchasing or procurement of equipment and facility. Do we have research already done or is ongoing? If we've already carried out research into the industry we want to go into, then what's the result of the research? We need to itemize it in this section for intended users or possibly investors to know about and understand why we really want this organization to exist and the solution it can be and offer to the society. If the research is ongoing, what do we need to finish it and get to a logical conclusion which we can apply the results of the research? We need to itemize them. And after research, we go into the development, which we call the applied research, applying the result of the research into tangible products. And how do we want to go about that? We must let them know. We want to purchase equipment, facilities, and the like. From who? We need to answer. The pricing, we need to put it there. When are they to supply? We need to put it there. Who we install, that is installation fee and the like for big industrial equipment, we need to put it there. Are they coming with warranty or not? What of the maintenance side of the business operation, especially the equipment? We need to put it there. And their expertise. How long have they been in the industry? Can we really rely on them for maintenance of our equipment and the like? We need to revalidate this in the hearing of our investors in the business plan by ensuring all this information they are not missing in the operation section of our business plan. Also, we will want to put out a rollout strategy as to when these requirements, these procurements and the like will need to be purchased and implemented, and our financials must actually reflect this. We must ensure our projection actually reflect on this. It is very critical that we ensure that our business plan reflects, especially the financial side, the projection, the cash flow reflects all this. We should try as much as possible to ensure that our cash flow projection and financials actually reflect the reality. Don't forget that we are dealing with knowledgeable people in the industry, in investment, in finance cycle, and they understand what they are doing. So literally, we need to open up and do the needful and be as realistic as possible and as detailed as possible. Don't forget that we had already dealt with the executive summary. So now we are not writing executive summary. Now detail is actually needful. So put every detail there. Who we want to choose and to buy, or the vendor. Why are we registering them to be our supplier? We need to let them know why we choose them, how we are going to choose them, the selection and the like, so that everything can be plain and they can know and be assured that there is a process and due diligence will actually be done and be followed through. And right about now, we will move on to the next topic. Immediately we are through with business plan, to introduce to ourselves SFM, that is Strategic Financial Management, is what we are going to be looking at after now. So from GJAMES Associate channel, if you are yet to subscribe or you are just joining us, we really appreciate you and we would love that you subscribe to us and click on notification so that you can receive timely video notification from us anytime we upload. If you want to contact us for any reason, the email address is being displayed. Kindly contact us and you can be sure we are going to respond. From GJAMES Associate Gbenga, Olatunji FC has been speaking. We are value to life. We are value to your business. Next will be strategic financial management, introducing ourselves to SFM.